Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a responsive font using CSS. So let's start. So as you can see, the heading right now is this, right? So if I do this, you can see that the heading is still big, okay? It is not scaling down with the screen size, okay? That is not what I want. I want big on bigger screens and smaller on smaller screens. Okay? So how can you do that? Let me show you. Now here, if I show you, I just have a class of font responsive on my heading. If I just show you, the simpler way is to use a 10 VW viewport width, okay? And if I save this, you can see that according to my viewport's width, the size ended up being increased. But if I narrow the width, you can see that the size is decreasing. But obviously with a bigger screen, like some kind of monitor, for example, it will grow too big. So how do you deal with this? You want a maximum and minimum. So you kind of need to tell it to not cross a certain size. So you can use the clamp function for this. Okay, so 2 rem, I think that's fine. And then I'll just do 10 width, then let's say 5 rem for this. Okay, so let's try this first. As you can see, it is this big size and it's not shrinking, it's still not shrinking, and now it started shrinking the text. And as you can see, the text stopped shrinking about at this point. So you can see that the minimum is this, okay, the minimum width. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.